गोवा विधानसभेचा कालचा 15वा दिवस होता. मागण्या आणि कपात सूचना मांडल्यानंतर सामाजिक कल्याण, नदी जलवाहतूक, पुरातत्व आणि अभिलेखागार खात्याचे मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाई यांनी उत्तरं द्यायला सुरुवात केली होती. पण त्यांना काही वेळानंतर अचानक त्रास सुरू झाला. साखरेचं प्रमाण कमी झाल्यामुळं मला असा त्रास होत असल्याचं त्यांनी सभागृहात सांगितलं आणि त्यानंतर फळदेसाई खाली बसले. या वेळात काही काळ सभागृहाचं कामकाज थांबलं होतं.
You have to review the entire operation of your department and introduce innovative ideas into river navigation. आणि जे आहे social welfareचे हांव जे उलयलां, I think it is the duty of the honorable finance minister also to provide what is required to this department. It cannot be because of paucity of funds because of that this department and these people do not receive what they have to receive. So I expect an answer from the honorable minister on how he is going to go about all this. Thank you, Speaker.
I rise here to reply the cut motions placed on the various demands before this House. The first demand I would like to take up is empowerment of person with physical or person with disabilities. Speaker sir, पयली सुवातेर आयज जे सभागृहान भितर चर्चा जाल्ली आसा चारय सगळ्या डिमांडाचेर. It is very healthy discussions that has taken place without accusation or without any fiery word or without any harsh statements. So I considered all these suggestions are very much needed for the improvement, because I believe all these departments were not taken very seriously in the beginning, because there was no discussion was taking place on these departments. And for the first time, person with disability, empowerment of person with disability, when we speak about this department, आम्ही वो डिपार्टमेंट घेवपाक माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी अनाउन्समेंट केलो ते ह्याच खातीर की ह्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन बरे तरेन लक्ष वचपाक जाय आनी हो जो सेक्टर आसा, हो जो सेगमेंट आसा, द मच नीडेड अटेंशन इज रिक्वायर्ड and we need to really see how we can empower the person with disability in various sectors, like empowerment in their social life, empowerment in their education, empowerment in their health, or empowerment in their placements. या सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाक ह्या पर्सन विथ फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी 24,000ची इन्कम हांव ते हाजे बरोबर घेता, कारण दिस डिपार्टमेंट इज इन दी फॉर्मेशन स्टेज and we do not have a department, separate department as of today. So allocation of budget is also required to be done and we need to really आमचे जे ऑफिस आसा ते सेटअप करपाक जाय. त्या खातीर आमी माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन फायल धाडली आसा and it will come with their suggestions. आतां ही कट मोशन सांगा हांव घेता आसतना सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटाचेरच उलयता. सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट आयज आमच्यो वेरियस स्किम्स आसात. विजय बाबांनी खूब बरी सजेशन केल्ली आसा. फॉर लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स सम ऑफ दी स्किम्स वीच वेर फ्रेम्ड वेर नॉट रियली इम्प्लिमेंटेड, किंवा तांचे कडेन जे बजेटरी एलोकेशन आशिल्ले वेर नॉट युटिलायज. सो फायनली allocation for this year was zero and nil and implementation nil. अशो खुबश्यो स्किमी आसात त्यो गेल्ल्यो आसात, पूण ज्यो स्किमी रियली आमी काम करून घेतिल्ल्यो आसात, ज्यो समाजा भितर जाय आसात त्यो स्किमी आमी बऱ्यो केल्ल्यो आसात. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अटल आसरा योजना ही आयज आमी मोठ्या प्रमाणात घेतात. तुम्ही एप्लाय केल्या नंतर 3 महिन्या भितर अटल आसरा योजनेचे बेनिफिट तुमचे कडेन पावता. तुम्ही आयज पहिले जर जायत 1,39,000 सुमार आमचे DSS आसात, तातूंत भितर विधवा महिला आसात, तातूंत भितर आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन आसात, तातूंत भितर आमचे पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज आसा. पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीक 2,000, 2,500 आणि 3,500 हे तांच्या डिसेबिलिटीच्या अनुसार तांकां मेळटात. आमी जे विडोज आसात, ऑल दोज विडोज विच आर बिलो 60 years, they get 2,500 आणि आमच्या खुबशा मेंबरांनी म्हणलेले आसा की तातूंत भितर तुम्ही समानता हाडपाक जाय आणि युनिफॉर्मिटी हाडपाक जाय हाच्या खातीर आमी काम करतले. कट मोशन्स आसात ती अशी आसात. फेल्युअर ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट टू इफेक्टिवली इम्प्लिमेंट सोशल वेलफेअर स्कीम्स. The Directorate of Social Welfare providing different types of 65 schemes to other backward classes, scheduled castes, minorities, persons with disabilities, etc. Failure of government to provide timely assistance to beneficiaries of social welfare schemes. Directorate of Social Welfare providing financial assistance under different schemes from time to time, and they are very regular. Failure of government to provide timely benefit under the social welfare schemes to other backward classes. Post-matric scholarship for OBC student. The number of beneficiaries for the last 5 years is 12,533 and expenditure incurred to the tune of 2,906.76 lakhs. Pre-matric scholarship for OBC student. This number of beneficiaries for last 5 years is 16,544 and expenditure incurred to the tune of rupees 617.88 lakhs for last 5 years. Atal Asra Yojana. The number of beneficiaries for last 5 years is 807 and expenditure incurred to the tune of 1081.55 lakhs for last 5 years. Welfare of Dangar schemes. Under this scheme, 8 schemes are formulated for Dangar communities, including Atal Asra Yojana. The number of beneficiaries for last 5 years is 578 and expenditure incurred to the tune of rupees 1024.76 lakhs for last 5 years. Failure of the government to provide, dusri cut motion asa, failure of the government to provide timely benefit under social welfare schemes to tribal community. Directorate of Social Welfare under DSS rupees 2,000 per month providing 1,300 or 13,160 number of beneficiaries to tribal community amounting to rupees 31.50 crores per annum. Failure of the government to provide timely benefit under social welfare schemes to scheduled caste community. Post-matric scholarship for SC student. The number of beneficiaries for last 5 years is 537 and expenditure incurred to the tune of 87.18 lakhs. Pre-matric scholarship for SC student. Speaker sir, I'm just getting palpitations. I think the sugar is low or something.
Just take a seat.